Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 12. So as usual, daily in morning, revise basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some vocabulary words, etc. So daily in morning, revise basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of any subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can from affairs load or study IQ. So daily in morning, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And after that, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel by Santosh sir. And daily in morning at 8 am, there is a live class of editorial video. So daily in morning, watch that video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all the weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning. So tomorrow for quant pre-level, watch basic level video for averages topic. And also for reasoning pre-level, tomorrow watch any basic level video for blood relation topic. And also give your time as much as possible for practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. And after that, in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule and also practice for your weak areas. And also we have many free PDFs for practicing pre-level from Smart Kid and Practice Mark. So practice all those for your pre-level. And also if you weak in any subject or topic, practice for that. And we have many free PDFs. So give your time as much as possible for practicing all these. And in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, give 1 hour for practicing each quant reasoning and in English. So tomorrow for quant mains, watch a high level video for quadratic equation topic. And also for reasoning mains, watch high level video for data sufficiency. And also for English mains, watch high level video for close test topic. So tomorrow for your mains, watch all those videos for your mains preparation. And after that, for your mains preparation, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness tomorrow, development of banking in India topic, read MCQs from 43rd page to 46th page. And for computer awareness, read computer memory MCQs from 37th page to 44th page. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And we completed April 3rd week current affairs. So tomorrow, read April 4th week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.